This is Emhape Tech with new video. At GITEX Technology Week in Dubai, TCL unveiled the BlackBerry Motion. It has a 5.5-inch touchscreen, a Snapdragon 625 processor and a notably large 4,000 mAh battery. The phone is not dissimilar to the KeyOne, TCL's last BlackBerry that sported a physical keyboard underneath its touchscreen. The Motion attempts to continue the touchscreen legacy of the DTEK50 and DTEK60 of 2016 and reassert the BlackBerry brand in the Android space. The Motion is widely available globally as of February 2018. It's available in major markets including US, UK, and many other European regions from local operators and directly from TCL. The BlackBerry Motion eschews the physical keyboard in favor of a 5.5-inch IPS LCD touchscreen. It's also the first BB-branded phone ever to feature IP67 water and dust resistance, a welcome feature in a £399 phone. Its design recalls the older, BB10 running Z10 more than it does TCL's Tech phones. There is also a 4,000 mAh battery on board to keep the Snapdragon 625 ticking over. The KeyOne had the same chip with a 3,505 mAh battery and lasted for an exceptionally long time in comparison to most other Android handsets. We expect the Motion to last at least 2 days on a single charge. You can recharge it easily too with Quick Charge 3.0. It will ship with Android Nougat 7.1 and will feature BlackBerry's pleasingly decent skin, which doesn't change much but adds the BlackBerry software suite with the universal inbox app hub and useful features like icon widgets. As ever, TCL is keen to push BlackBerry's security legacy, and indeed we found the KeyOne to receive security patches very fast and second only to the Google Pixel. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.